Welcome at PASC 2024 at ETH Zurich. I'm here with Tim Dykes from HPE. Welcome, Tim. So you had a mini symposium here at PASC 24. Can you tell us what was your mini symposium about?
Yes, indeed. So our mini symposium was called Confidential Computing in HPC. And what we were trying to do was bring together some of the researchers and folks interested in the current state of confidential computing as applied to high-performance computing resources.
So the mini symposium is over. I expect that you do have some take-home messages that came out of the discussions.
Yes, I think so. So certainly in the past, confidential computing has perhaps not been such an important topic, particularly for the academic users of HPC systems. But I think what we saw from our mini symposium, the amount of interest, the number of questions, and the talks that were on, that really this is a topic that's growing in importance.
Yeah, I think this is due also of all this new architecture that we are putting in place. We see we are starting to have some interest also from our own community coming to us and asking exactly how to deal with this kind of data and this kind of new aspect of the business. Tim, what would be the next steps? So the mini symposium is over, you go home. What are you planning to do to follow up on the mini symposium?
Sure, so certainly I think for one, we'd like another mini symposium at the next conference. This would be a great start, perhaps even in a larger room to fit the audience. But yes, I think we've met quite a few like-minded people at the mini symposium, and so we've got quite a few new contacts, and we'd really like to continue some of the discussions that we started here in the mini symposium.
So is it fair to say that for you this was more a brainstorming kind of mini symposium because the topic was very new and it's just starting to become of a wider interest? As you said, you need a bigger room. Maybe we underestimated the amount of people that would be interested in such a mini symposium, and so we will plan better next year.
Yes, I think that really we found a lot of people with interest in this subject, and we would really like to sort of take forward the discussions that we had and try to bring these people together to continue some of the work we've done and share more talks on more work that's going on in this area.
Very good. So maybe next year you will give us some more concrete examples of what your community is starting to do actually to open up with these new topics and these new ideas that we were discussing.
Yes, I think so. The topics from our mini symposium at this conference were very much from the platform provider perspective. Yeah. What kind of infrastructure is there? How do we make things like memory encryption work for scientific workloads? Yeah. What I'd really like to see for next year is user stories. So how people have managed to use this infrastructure that we've been working on and others have been working on, and what kind of benefit we've seen from this.
Yeah, because after all, it's all about science.
Exactly.
Thank you very much, Tim, and then I hope to see you next year at PASC 25.
Thanks very much, me too.